Hi, here we are. Just riding around Willen, making our way to Woburn. I'll bring you back in a minute.
Most beautiful place I've seen. The white caps and the palms, the carnations and the sea. Times like these when I'm on my way back out of the woods. I've never felt better than when I'm on my way out the door. Now I finally found all my friends are in the clouds. Alone now in my head, now all alone now in your head. And I've waited just so long to sing you this final song. Time keeps ticking.
We're on the descent now, down to Asper Guys. Bring you back in a minute, it's a fast one.
Times like these when I'm on my way back out of the world. I've never felt better than when I'm on my way out the door. Now I finally found all my friends are in the clouds. Alone now in my head, now all alone now in your head. And I waited just so long to sing you this final song. Time keeps ticking, time keeps pushing, time keeps rolling on.
Here we are on our way to Millbrook through Woburn and across from Willen. This is our picnic spot here. See the bike there. Got a cheese sandwich and some Lucasade, I think. I'll just show you the view towards Woburn, where we've just come from. Okay, so that's Woburn. Aspie Guys is kind of over there. So we climbed up Brickhill. You can see that the radio mast over there. We come all the way around and then here. And it's a lovely, gorgeous, sunny day. Okay, it's lunchtime. Let's show you what we've got. We've got a cheese sandwich with ketchup, and here, I'll just pour it out for you. We've got some Lucasade Energy, ice cold. I'll just try that with you now. You ready for this? Oh wow. That was lovely. Bring you back in a minute.
Faster, faster, you won't go far. Shouldn't leave, feeling faint, we both know why. You got to show me both knees, call I lie. Hold me slowly, hide me till I can find. Always, we can sing, we can make time. Old songs, blood and flame, you could be mine. But you got to show me both knees, skin and bone. Clothe me, throw me, move me till I can sell you lines. You can't get enough. Make a true believer.
Here we are, crossing some fields.
If I feel low, I can feed your dirty mind. Like I know we were. Like I know we were.
Just going through some woods. Some big divots in here as well. So concentrate here. Down this path here. We came along that ridge there and we're going, I think we're going back through this wood here. I hope anyway. I can't see that going back up there now. Maybe it does, but I'm not sure. Bring it back in a minute and find out.
believer.